there is, with the Pinga song, there is a lot of comparison being drawn to Dola Re. What would you like to say on that?
Um, buddy, she
I
just
can say,
left.
but
देखा कैसे एन वक्त पे उड़न छू.
Okay. I
no, I'm right here,
understand.
guys. Come here.
Where are you?
आए है कहाँ है?
I
Voice of
understand-
God.
I understand.
Big boss.
Pretty-
हाँ बोलो बोलो. डोला रे डोला बोलो.
No, I think कि दोनों बहुत अलग situations हैं और दोनों बहुत अलग scenarios हैं. Pinga is, I mean, obviously the comparisons will happen because it's two contemporary actresses working together, look dressed in Indian, Sanjay Sir's film. But if you put that aside, if you just see the scenario, मस्तानी और काशी जब डांस कर रहे हैं और it's a metaphor for saying that for today, आज हल्दी कुमकुम का फेस्टिवल है, आज के लिए हर चीज को भुला देते हैं, बस उस बात को याद रखते हैं कि we celebrate womanhood today. And that's what they do. They come together to celebrate their love for the men that they are absolutely in love with, and it happens to be the same guy. And I think that for that one moment in time, they've forgotten everything that happened between them, and it's Kashi welcoming Mastani to the folds of just out of courtesy of being a human and a woman and being respectful of that. And I think that's a very big statement, just in terms of empowerment as well. That women need to support each other, and that's a very different scenario from us. So that's why I think they kind of didn't like
I
each
think
other.
she
They
said,
kind of like each other.
I understand why there is comparison. It's the same director. You have two heroines dancing together, which is probably not a very, very common thing. But in every other way, there's no reason for comparison. The situation in this film over here is completely different. Here it's a song of celebration. And I think she explained the entire situation to you. I mean, what more? But yes, I think we were very, very excited. We were very happy that we got this opportunity to shoot this song together. Priyanka is the first film person I ever met when I came in, when I had not even joined the industry, and she was already a huge star even back then. So she was the first friend that I made when I came in. And I have to tell you that we were so comfortable when we were shooting. It troubled
Much
a
to
few.
Sanjay Sir's disdain.
I was just going to say, it troubled a few people because I think it went against what a lot of people thought it would be. I think people expected it to be, there to be a lot of tension. I think they expected there to be a lot of, what is she wearing? What am
Babe,
I
you and
wearing?
I are trailblazers.
Who's
It's in our
dancing?
DNA to break the rules.
So, and it was completely different. In fact, Sanjay sir would keep joking with us and saying, like, why can't you guys, like, just fight? Or, y'all to do pugdi from the van and
Pugdi
come.
करते हुए आ रहे हो.
So, it was great fun. It was great fun. It was very difficult. And I think we've watched each other's backs when we were shooting the song. If there were steps that, I found difficult, she would encourage me. If she found something difficult, I would encourage her. There were days when we both wanted to give up, and there were days when we both came in with the same kind of energy. So it's been a lot of fun, and I couldn't have asked for a better partner to do that.